Does 3 times the pets mean 3 times more mess?
No need to worry. Eufy has 3 times stronger suction power. It also has app control and touch control.
Alexa, ask your robo-vac to start cleaning.